Time check. Full charge, full charge. And 6:04 June 1. So let's go. Time check, 6:37. Almost 30 minutes na almost 30 minutes live. The battery now was at the third bar. I loaded only the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is my live right now. Okay. Right now I don't know if the fan was hot. This one too much hot. I think around 30 degrees, 30 degrees maybe. So I will continue live. So here I am after 1 hour of use. 7:40. I stop maybe 30 minutes, then after I jogging for almost 30 steps, 3,000 steps, almost 2,000 meter dash. And now I use again. After maybe 30 minutes I got 2 bars, and this one was hot. Right now sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working. Sometimes this motor was too hot, you cannot touch this motor. So I got only recorded 13 minutes, 13 gigabytes. I think almost 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe, 20 minutes more or less. Then after that I got 2 bar of battery. So in total I use maybe 1 hour. 1 hour for full bar. So now it's only 2 bar. So we turn off again and I will continue my vlog observation right now. So right now it's fine, but there is another problem. Look, when I press this one 3 times, the menu button, look, 1 2 3. Look. It's supposed to spin, something like that. Cannot spin for 360 degrees. Then I got error in 303. But when I stand like this, it's continue. Of course it will maybe this one. But when I try like this, horizontal, but when vertical It's working fine. That's another I don't know, it's normal or I check with my friends gimbal, the same like this. It's perfectly working fine, even vertical or horizontal. This one. So I turn it off. 1, 2. So now it's working. Thank you. I will record again later. I will go to coffee shop to take coffee for this morning. Time check 7:44. Time check 5:13. 5:13 6/7/2024. So the battery right now is full charge. We'll try to screenshot for the better view. So we'll try to check in POV and at the same time to test the battery lifespan. So now the problem was this one was too hot when in outside, and I put the gimbal to POV or sometimes PF. This one was too hot. If this one was getting hot, the gimbal it's only take I think 1 hour and 2 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. Then the battery will drain out. So so time check 8:42. So this is the battery of my gimbal. 8:42, 43. So this one was hot. Right now it's not so hot because my room was fully air conditioned. But when I try outside with the temperature below 30 degrees, maybe 26, it will take about 1 hour and a half or 2 hours. The battery will run out, and this one was too hot. This one, not like this one, and the motor here is very cold when I outside. But right now my aircon was working. This one I think almost 20 degrees. This one not so hot right now because I have aircon, but yet also the battery was how many hours? Maybe 3 hours, 4 hours. I try also PF, this one.